What's up, guys? If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to DIY Mitch's channel. And let me see, what am I doing today? We're going to do a service call in the Hellcat. Yeah, no, actually I'm going to help a friend clean his dryer vent out. He needs a little bit of help cleaning the dryer vent, so I've got to get the stuff here to do that with. And this is what I clean the dryer vent out with. That's it right there. I got more. Oh, I'm sorry, is it too loud? Yeah, it's pretty loud. All right, so let's get the garage dust off of the old Hellcat here. Throw the shit in the back. Get more stuff. I got more stuff up here. It's probably more dust. Yeah, there it is. Fiberglass rods. That's what you use to clean your dryer vent out with. Alright. And then I need a drill. I gotta go find a drill. Let's go find a drill. Gotta go get a drill. There's Mom over there. See? Hey, Mom. And other family units. Okie dokie. And then, of course, we got Gunner here. Everybody likes Gunner. I think the only reason why people come to my channel is for Gunner. I know what y'all come here for. It's not the stupid shit I do. So, yeah. All right. Oh, I can't show you this. Hang on. There you go. All right. Where's my drills? I need drills and batteries. Let's see. Guess I'll use that one. The old Milwaukee. Okay, what else do I need? Don't need that. Probably just need maybe an extra battery, I suppose. Okay. Yeah, let's go get another battery. Let's go get a lithium-ion battery. Just in case I got a lot of dryer vent to do. My buddy said he's got a lot of 90-degree elbows in his dryer vent. I don't think that's code anymore. His house is not that old. So I don't think he's got that many 90s. If he does, it's not code. I don't even think you can have any 90s in it. Maybe one, like to where the dryer goes, but other than that, I don't think you can have any 90s in it. Let me get my battery right here. There we go. Got the big battery. Got the big battery. Alright. Let's see, do I have all my brushes? I got that one and that one and that one and that one. I think I'm good. Alright. Alright, let me go tell the wife unit that I'm getting ready to go and help my buddy clean his dryer vent. Johnny, you gotta go back in the house, buddy. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm gone.
Alright.
Have fun.
Oh, are you filming?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool.
You need to tell me something, I'll turn it off.
Yeah, turn it off.
Okay, I'll be back in a minute, y'all. Hang on. This must be important. I might be in trouble. We're rolling up here to my buddy's house. Let's see here what's going on. Yeah. Actually, I probably need to back in. Let me get it back in. Yeah, I'll back in. Back her in, back her in, back her in. That's probably a good thing. I'm not a neighbor. Yeah. Yeah. Pull right beside your ram. Wake the neighbors up. Okay, let me get my stuff together.
Right on the dog up for it.
I wake the dog up. Did I wake the dog up? Well, this is going to be how to clean out a dryer vent.
We're not doing that.
It's going to be good. Yeah, it is. Oh, the sun's in my eyes. Well, at least I got the tools. I got the tools right here.
I'm gonna call. What's the name?
I think your neighbor's gonna call the cops on me.
What's your? He lives out this way. I'm gonna have him come by your house. What's his name?
I got all the stuff.
What's your buddy's name?
Oh, yeah, we ain't gonna talk about that. No, Yeah, here you go, take all that right there.
We'll put a drill through the damn thing.
Hey, oh, ain't done yet here. Take all this.
I got to DeWalt. You don't want this Harbor Freight Milwaukee ain't gonna work.
And I got an extra battery in case we need it.
I got 5 batteries doing these things. DeWalt.
Yeah. Where's the outside of it? Where's it at? The back side? Where's it? This side?
12 foot high.
Oh, okay.
I have to get the ladder out the garage.
Oh God, I gotta get it. What? I gotta go ladder for this? You're kidding me, right?
You gonna do something from the outside?
You have to do it from the outside.
No, you don't do it from the outside.
Yes, you do.
Nah.
Yep, because it comes out this way. You run it in through the outside and it comes back. Are you kidding me?
You gonna run it? The guy that did
Holy
mine ran it
crap.
from the inside and the outside.
No, you run it from the outside.
Well, how you gonna get it where it bends in?
I don't know. You got a ladder. You got a ladder tall enough to get up there?
Yeah, you gonna make it all fall back in the house.
Oh no, it'll come back. Trust me.
But I look at that leaf blower, he goes right in his face.
No, don't do that.
Mitch be outside, all of a sudden, pop.
You got a ladder tall enough for that?
That ain't about 10 foot. Yeah, I got a 10-foot ladder.
I didn't realize this was gonna be dangerous.
It ain't dangerous. Here, I'll get this stuff wet.
Where'd you get this air conditioner at?
I bought it two years ago. Mother crapped out.
What happened to the piece of crap Honeywell you had?
It wasn't Honeywell. It was
What was it?
Lennox or something. I don't know.
American Standard, Lennox, they're all the same company.
I don't know. I love that one. That thing's quiet. You don't hear it running. When it comes on, it's like.
Yeah, because you run the dang AC in the summertime at about, what, 65?
Yeah, you don't hear it come on. It's like.
Bro, I had no idea.
Yeah, let me open the garage.
You're killing me. Let me go get the ladder.
Well, the guy that I can never get to go fishing, now he wants to go fishing tomorrow. The guy that lives up in towards Kinston.
Oh my God.
He said he could go tomorrow.
All right. Let's get the ladder. I'm scared. What kind of mess is my buddy got me into right here? Trying to kill his friend.
I bought a $9 ladder.
He wants the Hellcat, y'all. That's what it is. He took an insurance policy out on me. I know what's up.
Yeah. I got a $100 ladder.
Is it one of those? Oh
24
yeah.
foot, 20 foot.
Holy shit.
It's taller than that.
I guess I got to put this camera down because you need help with that, don't you? Or I ain't got a stand for my camera. Yeah, I do. Hold on. Watch this. Oh, you got it? Hey, look out for the Hellcat now.
Don't hit it.
Don't hit it. Got your pajamas on. It don't matter. I guess the right side. Yeah. That's crazy, ain't it? That's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy. Let me Let's see if this camera will get it where I can see what's going on. Oh, that's perfect. Let me see what we got here.
You want me to dig the feet in, or you alright like that?
This should be okay.
I mean, ain't you? Get this out of the way from the stuff on there. It's a bad design. You know it?
Yeah, to them. Yeah. No, I can't. The problem is I can't see the dang.
I gotta take that cover plate off.
That'll be enough. I'll just let it roll.
I can't remember if it's screwed on, if it pops off. I can't remember.
Let's go see what the inside looks like.
I think I gotta.
No, I can go through that.
I think it just pops right
You don't
out.
have to take that off.
Yeah, you can break that thing that flaps over. You break that handle stuff. Get it. That whole thing just pops off the outside of it. Slides on the tube. I'm gonna get lead car to it.
I don't know if this thing's gonna go 90 degrees like.
It goes 90 degrees twice. It goes down and it goes down in the house. Don't put it on the edge of that vinyl. It's crack the damn vinyl. It's gonna slide to the right a little bit unless you dig the feet in.
Bro, I don't want to fall today.
Just dig this foot in.
Yeah, dig that one. Dig them both in.
But
You can go up there. Oh, you got to get it straight.
what have you done now?
Right
You gotta dig them both in.
here. Oh, let me see it now.
That's it.
Yeah, I know, but you got to get more like this here.
You done fucked it up.
I hate these fucking ladders. A-frame ladder.
Don't put it right on the tip. That's it. Size up a little bit. You're right on the edge of the belly. It'll crack that piece off a little bit. I don't know. There you go.
Better.
That's better. Still sliding.
You're killing me.
I ain't gonna let you fall.
You better hold that ladder.
I got it.
I don't feel like falling
Just don't
today.
step on that cord that's on the ladder and trip on it.
No.
That's why I don't like that damn ladder. That's it.
Will this come off?
It's pulled straight off, I think.
You sure?
I've had it off before. It slides on there.
I don't want to break it.
Be careful, there's a flap at the top. Don't break the flap off. The flap comes out with it, I think.
Yeah, but it's held on this corner now. Oh, it's screwed in. You said, Colin, Kevin, that mother, John, that son of a bitch is screwed in. Right here.
Not the frame, take the inside part off of it, not the whole damn thing.
It's screwed in.
Let me get up there.
It's screwed in, bro. I don't know what you're thinking.
I took something off of it one time.
You won't take that one off without screwing the screw and screw. You're gonna need a drill and a screw.
Wait a minute. Here, hold the last one, bust my ass.
Ain't going nowhere.
Yeah,
Don't fall on me.
flip-flops on up here.
See that screw? Look at that screw. Now don't break it. You ain't gonna pull it off because it's held on by the side. If you take that screw out, you can take it off, John. You see that screw? John, don't break it.
Yeah, I see the screw right coming.
You gotta take that screw out.
Yeah, I don't remember putting the screw in.
Must have been the last guy who
Is it
worked on it.
Phillips head?
Yep. And I didn't bring no bits.
I got a screwdriver in the damn garage.
Get your screwdriver.
I got a drill. I got all that shit here. Boy, need a bit. I got a drill.
Yeah. This thing gets stuck in there, I'll be pissed.
No, they didn't fix it 10 times.
Like I said.
I said I was blowing losing the yard there. They said I'm blowing losing the yard or something.
Bro.
They ain't got nothing to lose there. Here, give me a second, get that piece out for the screw.
Here, you know, put on it, make it longer, might make it easier. Sure? Oh hell, that motherfucker just came on.
Yeah.
better not drop nothing inside it, had it.
It's that quiet thing, you don't know it's on.
Yeah.
That's less than a damn box fan in the house. See how quiet the thing is?
Yeah.
You only know what's wrong in the house.
I know why, because it's a variable speed inverter unit. You know what I'm saying? I see the inverter right here on it.
It's gonna light the shit.
Well, just be careful. How long do you think that thing is?
It goes the whole length of the kitchen. It's probably 15, 16 foot. 20 foot, maybe.
You're killing me.
I might drop the screwdriver in there.
Yeah, don't drop. Please don't lose that screw. You're gonna need it.
I've got plenty of screws. Yeah.
Oh, it's kicking up now. Please tell me you ain't stripped it already.
Screws on. Put the machine box. Hang on, it's not pressing. Open it.
Alright, that's fine. I'll hold it up. I'll hold it up.
I'm sticking off.
Won't you?
Break the tip off.
That's fine. I'll hold it.
Now, pivot lever sharp. Be careful.
Here goes my fucking camera.
Wow. Oops. There's some right here. Look at that.
Yeah.
Well, I can climb up there. I know you don't like ladders. Well, I'm leaving the screw inside this.
Well, that's about as far as I can go right now, because I'm going to have to figure out how to get it all in there like this. It's got to turn around.
Bad time.
No, not yet. Don't do that. Get my first 90 right there.
Wire. Oh, you want some more? Tight.
Not yet. Hey, remember, do not, whenever I do go backwards on the smoke filter, keep it pulling back out because it will lose your place. That's why I take it. Don't go backwards. Probably make sure these things are set. Oh, give me another one. I want to make sure it's going the right direction. It should be righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that new exit is quiet. Now you can pull it back out. Oh. I'm pavement, that's at 90.
I just got past.
Yeah, you're inside of that shit.
Take this. See why I'm taking it up now. I don't think it's going to be that dirty. All right, give me a tape.
I cleaned it before.
Tape. No, I don't need to tape on this one. Right there on the side of your hair. Tape, no, that black tape.
Not screwed in, it hasn't come apart. You got it screwed in. It's come apart. You can back it out. Hit reverse on the thing.
I ain't taking any chances on yours.
Yeah.
I'll be here all day trying to get it out on this ladder. Of course, I've been able to go from the other end and push it out. I will say that.
Put on there all of them.
So it goes to the end, I guess. I might not go to the end with this. I think this is about 30 feet.
It
Does it
goes.
say on there? Does it say on that box? It don't say on that box, does it?
I don't know. 12-foot extension kit. It says 12. Hey, we'll put one more on there.
No, let me get it further in there before you do that. You can't see. You can't.
Oh, I
you
see.
can't turn it like that. It's
Yeah.
all out of whack here. Here, hand me that drill. I'll trade with you.
Man, let's shut up.
Keep doing it because I'm here.
You can't see some outside of there. Man, start there.
Yeah, I guess all I messed up. I might have went too far.
Goes down on the Ninth Street. Yeah, why we put through the middle of the house, I guess is how they do them all, I reckon.
I'm gonna see if this gets it further in mine.
Well, man, you got to think it's going down in that wall about 10 foot once it goes in the house. It's at the bottom of the floor.
It should go straight across.
Yeah, and then it goes down 8 foot. Once it gets to the floor. However 100 yards to the floor. Yeah.
I think I know how to do it.
If you hit that 90, you need 3 poles after that. You're at 8 foot, probably. Probably need one more. Go on and see if I see it on that other side.
We'll put another one in it. You'll probably see it with a pile of wood down there.
I go there.
I don't think it's made yet.
I should have heard from around there. We'll do one more. You'll drill in there first.
Yeah, I'll drill that one. See it. I think I just hit it right there.
We're getting the leaf blower. So they had one of those and a shot back attached to some pole that was in there with.
I got it. It's in there. I'm going to disconnect and get down the slide. Let's just see what we got.
Yeah, there was.
Let's go see if we got it through there. It might be through there.
Oh,
Hang on, what? watch me get on this ladder, boy. You should have held this ladder for me.
Yeah.
Shit. That damn thing wobbly as hell, boy. I'm definitely going down now. I can tell because it's kind of hard to turn there.
Yeah.
I hope this tape holds it up. It should, shouldn't it?
Well, like you said, unless you unscrew it, it shouldn't come out.
Well, this is insurance, I can tell you that.
Lord have mercy. What are the kids doing this weekend? School?
Yeah.
Kendall plays lacrosse now too?
Kendall's been playing lacrosse. She played lacrosse ever since middle school.
Oh. I thought she started playing because of the boyfriend or something.
No, he's not going to play no more, I don't think. It's club lacrosse.
Kevin got the Mustang at school?
No, it's at home.
Why did he take it to school?
Keep the miles off of it.
Shit.
He didn't want it there during Thanksgiving either.
Oh, Lord.
I mean, during Halloween.
I told him it was way in there, just don't go through the floor on the side. Damn. Now you got in there and look.
I'm going to put one more on. Here, take this.
Well, that's all you got, one more.
Yeah, put one more on.
I'm going to go inside and look, but I can't till you get this over here.
I'll take that on there.
It gets a long ways in there, bud.
That's all I got. That's the last one, ain't it?
Yeah.
I think we've reached the limits of code for how long a dryer vent can be.
Well, if you got two, that's 24 foot.
Yeah. That shouldn't make it, shouldn't make it, shouldn't it? You would think.
Well, that room is probably 18 foot wide, maybe.
Yeah.
And you got another 8 foot going out, so it's right at 24 foot. It might be 26 foot, I don't know. It'll be close.
Yeah.
Shut up, man.
I guarantee you when we get done, your new dryer will work great.
I need to cut this grass. Yeah. I did this, but it was like 4 years ago.
That last time it's been done?
Well, done professionally. And I've done it 2 years ago. I put the leaf blower to it.
Well, I mean, this is about as professional as it gets. A professional ain't gonna do nothing better than this.
Yeah.
I mean, really? I mean, This is professional.
Oh hell, there goes that piece that fell off.
Did it really? We can put it back on.
Yeah. As long as it didn't break.
No, because I ain't done nothing hard enough to make it break.
No, it just goes inside.
Well, that's all I got, John. Let's see if it's... Hey, if it came to the other side, I don't know if I'm coming back through this way. That's what you're supposed to do, though.
What?
You're supposed to come back.
Pull it all the way back out?
Yeah. Well, let's just go see what it looks like.
I'll go look. See what I can... Get your ass out.
I hate this fucking ladder.
I don't like ladders either.
I don't like ladders at all.
No, but that power wash pole mitch.
Yeah, that didn't break. It
Look,
just came off.
Look, from right, don't put it, it'll blow off. It'll get cut up. From right here, I can get in that gutter with that line.
Yeah.
That's a long way up.
Bentley! Bentley! Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! What in the world? Let's see. That's it. Yeah. It's clean. It's clean. That's pretty cool. He blew it with the leaf blower too. Hey, you had like a little puff of it come out and that was it. You want me to blow it from in there and blow it back in the house?
Well, I should have took this off. I didn't do that. Yeah, let me try that.
Well, I mean, you're going to have a little bit I mean, if you don't get nothing in the house, you know you're good. It's clean. You can try it. He's going to blow it from the outside now to the inside. Let me go on the inside and I'll watch it from in here. Hey, you going to be good on that ladder? No. Hey, take that thing off before you go up there. Huh? You going to be good on that ladder? Yeah. All right. All right, let's see it from inside the house. Dryer vent cleaning 101. Okay, let's see. Let's see what it looks like now. Here we go. I'm probably going to get blasted by dryer lint. Let's see. The dog's barking. He's playing some sad music in here. Oh, yeah, it's good. Nothing. Yeah! Good deal. You're good. Nothing. I'd say his dryer vent's officially clean. It's like, it's good. It's good, nothing. Just a little, like a little puff of lint smoke. Other than that, it's good. You're clean. Let's button it up and call it a day. That's about all you got on my camera right there, see? I had the camera right down there at it, you'll see it.
I don't know if I came down and stepped on that damn battery that drill about cracked my ankle.
You all right? Holy shit.
Didn't feel good.
I know, you like me. That's what happens when you get old and do stupid shit.
That's that ankle I broke.
Yeah, I broke my heel bones twice. All right, let's put this thing back together. And I think we'll call this a wrap. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, click like, click subscribe, leave me a comment. Would you have done it this way? Y'all let me know. Until next time, peace. Yeah, I'm out. When you need a second hand and you don't have a second hand, or you need 4 hands and you only got 1 hand, Here's how you can hold your tensioner pulley back with a ratchet on the tensioner, tie it back with a tight strap. There you go.